In this video, I'm going to show you how to save in Adobe Express. First, open your project and make sure that all the edits are complete. Once you've checked everything, click on the File option located in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you will see the Download option. You can also find the same Download button on the upper right-hand side of the screen. After clicking on Download, a window will appear where you can choose the file format. For videos, select MP4 as the preferred format. You can also adjust the video resolution from this window before starting the download. Once you've made your selections, click on Download, and the download process will begin. Wait for the process to finish, and your file will be saved to your device. Now, if you want to save the project file itself, it's important to understand how Adobe Express manages file storage. Unlike other design software, Adobe Express does not have a manual save option because all your progress is automatically saved to Adobe Express Cloud. This means that you don't have to worry about losing your work if you close the app or switch devices. To verify that your project has been saved, open Adobe Express from the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Scroll down on the homepage and you will see a section displaying your recent projects. To view all of your saved projects, click on the Your Stuff option on the left side of the screen. This will open a list of all your projects stored in the cloud. If you want to save the project file directly to your device as a working file, that is not possible since Adobe Express operates using cloud storage. The only way to store the file on your device is by exporting it as a finished file. And this is how you can save your work in Adobe Express.